Right, in this video I'm going to show you how to add another user to the Dext software. And as you know, Dext are used to record expenses, to upload invoices and slips, and from there to categorize it and then to publish it automatically to accounting software. So to add a user, I'm here inside of the company where I want to add the user, and if you have access rights, and that would be normally a business admin user or a practice admin user, you will have access to this user button in the left hand side menu. So you can, if you click on that, that will take you to the list of users who has access to this company. It's the Fund Accountant Demo company, and from here on we're going to manage user access. So at the top right hand corner you'll see a button that says add a user. I'm going to click that, and now we will need to add certain details of that user: the first name of the user, the last name, whether that user must have login access. Just to read that, login access determines whether or not a user can access the Dext platform or mobile app for this account. I'm going to say yes. I'm going to add the email address. And then I'm going to press next. Okay, and there are certain roles which you can assign to a user. There are 3 roles: the business administration role. And if you click on the role, Dext explains to you what that business role means and what that person can do. A business admin can submit, view, edit, publish other people's items, add and suspend users, which is what we're doing right now, change account-wide settings that will influence all the other users and how they operate with Dext or how they use Dext, and manage the subscription as well. That's the business admin rules. And then we're going to go to user admin. User admin can submit, view, edit and publish other people's items, add and suspend users, change account-wide settings, and set automation rules and other advanced features. For me, it's clear that the user admin cannot manage the subscription of Dext. I think that's the main difference. And then the standard user, which is the role we're going to assign to this user. And what can standard users do? Standard users can submit, view and edit their own items, change their personal settings, how they view and use Dext. And then there's optionally, they can have access to all documents, and they can create expense claims. And then there's publish permissions, where they can't publish to accounting software, or they can publish items and expense claims to accounting software, or they can only publish expense claims to accounting software. Okay, with this user, we're going to assign minimum user rights so that they can only upload documentation to Dext. So we're going to choose can't publish to accounting software, can create expense claims, put that off, and yes, I would like this user to have access to all documents. In other words, be able to view all documents that has been uploaded. Let's press next. This you can review the details and invite this user to Dext. It's just a repeat of the details that's been added, the permissions. Here you can set the invitation, so where the person can view it via email, and then you can also send the text invitation, because that's the powerful thing of Dext, is using your mobile phone to snap slips and other pictures while you're on the road or while you're mobile. So let's just add that number there. And then press add, and there we go, the user has been added. Let's just have a look at the email. So the user will get an email like this, where they can accept the invitation and then get started with Dext. That's how you add a user to Dext, and how you give that user access to the Dext platform, the different roles that you assign per user, giving them certain responsibilities and certain powers depending on the role, and then also how you invite them to Dext, via email and also their cell phone number, because that's where all the power is by being able to use your mobile phone to record expenses and slips. From that mobile invitation that we just did, this is the SMS that the user will get on his phone. If you follow the invitation that's on the SMS, it will take you to the Dext app, from where the user's email address is already completed, and that user can then create a password in accordance with the requirements of Dext. And that user can then start snapping pictures and invoices and slips from their cell phone. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.
Drawing back the bow, the arrow to go. It's not a mistake, no need to escape. Perfect preparation, magnificent reformation.